You do not need more videos or another course about Amazon FBA. If you found this page, you've probably done the research. You have some idea of what Amazon FBA is, but with so much information, you probably have just gone in circles and you haven't made the decision on a final product yet. What you're missing is one linear structured approach, a step-by-step process to follow with an end goal in sight, and even though you're building alone, to have some support along the way. Twice a year, I take a cohort, a group of people, through a 9-month building process where you come in with zero product idea and you leave the 9 months with a live product on Amazon. There's a lot of different ways to approach building a business on Amazon. Mine is to build a brand. Here, we're not chasing random products, and I'm not gonna promise you're gonna launch in 30 days. Just like any real business, it takes time and strategy to get started. So let's talk a little bit about what that would look like. At the very beginning, all students start at the very same place with zero product idea. And at your own pace, you'll go through my first course, which is FBA 201, the Product Lab. This is all about learning what makes a successful product on Amazon using my MUSE method, which is margin, unicorn, search, and expertise. While this is all a self-driven experience while you're doing your own product research, this whole program has support along the way. So we'll have 2 live group coaching sessions in this first month, and you'll also have access to the Founders Club, which is the community where you can post and ask questions. At the end of those first 28 days, now you have a validated product idea that you're going to move forward confidently, knowing even what your launch strategy is going to be once you get it back to you and launch it live on Amazon. That takes us into the next step, which is FBA 301. And in 301 product development, I have all of the checklists and AI tools that are going to help you reach out to different manufacturers. This part about building an Amazon business is always the scariest because you are reaching out, you're talking about product terms that you don't understand yet. You're talking about insurance and taxes and shipping and duties. And honestly, it's pretty tedious and kind of boring. So that's why creating all of this in step-by-step processes and to-do lists, and then having the support of the group and having my support really helps students through this stage get to the point where you actually have your first inventory order placed. Then once your product is on a boat headed back to you, we're going to work together to develop your launch strategy, which on Amazon depends a little bit on your product category, but we'll walk through the Amazon Vine program. We'll learn about how to get reviews on your listing. We're going to talk about product photography, where to find a product photographer, how to create your listing photos. You're going to get access to my Canva brand builder where you're going to establish your fonts, colors, and logo, and finally come up with your PPC ad strategy for your launch. By the end of this 9-month program with your live product on Amazon, you're also going to have then the next steps, the step-by-step process in order to grow this listing to be that profitable first product foundation of your new brand on Amazon. Where you're going to grow it, what variations you're going to add to your listing, what other products in this same product category can you develop. And in this program, since you'll have 12 months access to the Founders Club, you can pop back in at any time and ask questions to the group. You can share your listing to the group so we can all help support each other once our products are live, and make sure you're building strategically in the right sequence. The transformation is simple and tangible. Start with no product idea and end with a product on Amazon. If you are finally ready to stop this research cycle that you're on and you are ready to start building, this might be the program for you.